Now I start another exercise. This is the 14 figure exercise, round circle, and this is very important for our cardiac and our cardiovascular exercise. This is the part of cardiovascular exercise. So now I start this exercise counting 14. Now I start from my front and left side this exercise. Make your own circle, and after that you can do half squat and full squat exercise for full body exercise. Thank you. Now start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. No, don't, don't. Full squat exercise. Down, 1, down, 6, down. Okay.